Hey guys, today I'll show you how to make sheet rope in Project Zomboid. First, find cloth items you can use. These include sheets or any clothing that isn't leather or denim, like shirts, pants, sweaters, skirts, or vests. Any suitable cloth in your inventory can be turned into sheet rope. To craft the rope, open your inventory. Right-click the cloth item you want to use and select Craft Sheet Rope. Your character will tear up the fabric and create a sheet rope item. Each piece of cloth you use gives you one sheet rope unit, which goes straight into your inventory. Just a quick note, sheet rope doesn't spawn in the world. It's only craftable this way, so stockpile cloth from looting houses or zombies. And that's how you make sheet rope in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.